In the rapidly expanding domain of online marketplaces, Etsy stands out as a vibrant haven for creative entrepreneurs and artisans. With over 90 million active buyers, Etsy offers a unique opportunity for sellers to maximize their profits, provided they navigate this marketplace thoughtfully. Today, we unravel the strategies to ensure every seller can reach their utmost potential and craft a successful, profitable presence on Etsy. Let us start by discussing the importance of identifying your niche. On this platform, where uniqueness is a currency, pinpointing a specific market can elevate your store above the competition. Consider exploring unresolved customer demands or innovating on current trends. Focusing on a niche allows you to refine your offerings, cater to a targeted audience, and build a distinct brand identity. Once you've identified your niche, the presentation of your products becomes paramount. High-quality photographs are more than an aesthetic decision. They're a necessity in convincing potential customers. Using natural light, multiple angles, and close-ups of features or textures can considerably enhance the appeal of your listings. Remember, your product descriptions must not only be detailed, but also engaging. Craft descriptions that tell the story of your product, articulate its benefits, and include keywords to enhance search engine optimization. Pricing your products correctly is another crucial factor in maximizing profits. The key is to balance competitiveness with profitability. Start by researching your competitors to understand market standards. Factor in your production costs, Etsy fees, and desired profit margins to ensure prices are realistic, yet rewarding. Additionally, consider variations in pricing strategies, like offering bundles or tiered pricing, to cater to different customer segments. Etsy's algorithm prioritizes those listings and stores with high engagement levels and conversion rates, making it essential to utilize SEO effectively in your listings. Use relevant keywords in your titles and tags to increase visibility. Regularly updating your content also indicates to Etsy's algorithm that your shop is active, potentially elevating your shop in search results. Building a recognizable brand is a cornerstone of a successful Etsy shop. Develop a cohesive aesthetic across your store, from product photos to shop banners and avatars. A compelling brand story fosters a connection with your customers, engendering trust and encouraging repeat business. Moreover, soliciting and then showcasing positive reviews can further enhance your credibility. Promoting your Etsy shop beyond the platform is another effective way to drive traffic and sales. Harness social media channels by creating engaging content that features your products in action or tells the artisanal journey of their creation. Instagram and Pinterest, with their visual-centric design, are particularly effective platforms for showcasing crafts and handmade items. Additionally, consider collaborations with online influencers or use Etsy ads to reach a wider audience. Customer service cannot be overlooked in the quest to maximize profits. Providing exceptional service creates loyal customers who are more likely to refer your shop to others. Respond promptly to inquiries, offer solutions where problems arise, and express appreciation through personalized thank you notes included with shipments. These small gestures often result in repeat business, further driving your store's profitability. In conclusion, achieving success and maximizing profits on Etsy is a multifaceted endeavor, requiring both creativity and strategic acumen. By pinpointing a distinct niche, perfecting product presentation, cleverly pricing, optimizing for search, leveraging brand identity, utilizing effective promotion, and maintaining impeccable customer service, sellers can indeed tap into the vast potential clientele Etsy offers. Thus, armed with these insights, Etsy shop owners are poised to thrive in a marketplace brimming with opportunity. Thank you for joining us through this exploration of Etsy's profit maximization, and we wish you success in your creative ventures. Follow and subscribe for more side hustle ideas. If you are in need to generate income today, go to www.kill9to5.com.